When the network breaks, the drone may become the network. Hi, I'm Dr. Kamrul Islam. A major 25-26 UAV direction is communication rail autonomy. Open Access 2025 work described a multi-UAV relay systems for emergency communication, and other 2025-2026 research explored UAV assisted relay architectures for coverage limited scenarios using 5G, 6G style thinking. This matters in exactly the places where infrastructure is weakest. For example, disasters, remote operations, blocked terrain, collapsed connectivity, temporary field missions. The mission changes from fly there to left relay, then reposition, maintain coverage. That makes relay drones a communications problem, a control problem, and a mission logic problem all at once. My 2026 view, some UAVs will matter most not because of what they film, but because of the signals they keep alive.
Command, we're seeing a clear path to the east side. Confirmed?
Affirmative. Signal strong. Use the bridge detour marked by flares.
Copy that. Med unit moving now.
All teams main. On relay drones up. Signals clean.
Copy that. Ground team 3, I hear you loud and clear now.
Lifting second unit to grid C. Keep comms open.
Understood. Moving the patient to the medic.
Relay 1 is up. Signals clean.
Copy. Team Bravo, you're clear to move in on Sector 4.
Receive. Drones feeding visuals to command. Bandwidth stable.
Keep it that.
And this is Bravo team. We have relay signal. Comms are clear.
Copy that, Bravo. Drone 2 is covering the east side. Begin evac when ready.
Understood. Stretchers move.
Copy that. Ground teams check in. We're green for comms.
Drones 2 and 3 repositioning over Sector B. Maintain visual on the evac point.
Understood. Keep the